Keep your outboard's fuel system secure, leak-free, and reliable with the female fuel connector OEM 3B2-70250-1 from ICE Marine. Designed for Tohatsu and Nissan outboards from 5 horsepower to 90 horsepower, this connector ensures a tight, safe fuel line connection while allowing quick disconnection for maintenance or transport. Built to OEM specifications, it fits a 5/16-inch fuel hose and features a 13mm connector diameter for precise fitment. Made from corrosion-resistant metal alloy or plated brass, it delivers long-lasting durability, marine-grade performance, and consistent fuel flow. Ideal for replacing worn or damaged connectors, this part helps maintain safe operation and smooth engine performance. Choose ICE Marine for OEM quality fuel system components you can trust. ICE Marine, premium marine parts from Taiwan. Visit our website, iceboatparts.com. Email seller@icemarine.cc, WhatsApp +886966468632.